to party, we came here to dance. You know that you're my girl, damn right I'm your man. This night going too good, don't fall for the games. He said, she said, dumb shit. I got a whole lot of names and a whole lot of numbers, but I throw them away.
Thanks, John, for everything. Thank you for what you've done. Without you, everyone won't be here. So thanks, John, for everything, and hope that your plans for the future work out. God bless.
Thanks, John, for moving me to the third row. So,
we'll miss you, John.
Chris, what do you think about John in his past 7 years?
I think John's a very strong man.
Can I get some of your love? I got options. You the top one. So baby, if it ain't a problem, can I get some of your love?
Been around the game, been around the fame, been around the money, been around some names, but the Chico's still the same. Some things never.
Are you calling that? Oh shit, I'm right here. John, we love you so much. Thank you for teaching us for 7 years. It's been a great journey with you, and yeah, we love you.
Up on a pedestal, misery loves company. Baby, don't sweat these
I got a whole lot of names and a whole lot of numbers, but I throw them away, cause I think I might love you. Could be the Mary Jane or the spell that I'm under, but I know what this could be, clearing out my history for you. I got options.
Oh, hi, John. I really appreciate you teaching us this year, and we love you. John Rafael, I love you. Manu de Wahai needs you. Well, thank you for being here for the past many years. We love you so much, John.
Oh, thank you from my dad. He loves you so much. Thank you for being a great student and a teacher.
Thank you for buying us McDonald's the other day. We really appreciate
but ain't nothing perfect, girl. No such thing as a perfect world. These broads try hard to be who they not and not who they are. Baby, you sweating what? Baby, you sweating who? You talking about such and such? Who tries to be you? Man, you JFK. Mommy, you out your man. Misery loves company. I'll tell you one more time.
Thank you, John, for 7 years of being in our school.
Thank you for all the ups and downs and all the groundings and teachings. Thank you for just
the car's coming.
Yeah, we're gonna move because the car. That's how much we love you, because you're still on the road. Even though you didn't pick me for Cup this year, but you know, there's always next year. But I love you heaps. Go hard or go home.
Bye, John. We're gonna miss you. I'm not gonna say this as goodbye. I'm gonna say this as see you later. I really do. I know that I'm gonna miss you deeply, because we're not gonna see you daily. I truly know that you are my best friend and I'm your best friend, although you don't want to admit it. Thank you. I love you.
So
thank you for all the hard work you've put into our group this year. You know, we've given you countless headaches, but at the same time, we thank you so much. From the bottom of our hearts, we couldn't have been here without you. So